Good evening, students. Am I audible to all of you? Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in today lecture, we will discuss rest of operators in Python that we had started last lecture in Python operators in Python. So, before starting today lecture, I want to ask again. You all have clear previous operators that we had discussed yesterday, like arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, identity operators, and membership operators. If still any student have any doubt on any operator, then ask me. Otherwise, we will go to the next operator. किसी को पूछना है कुछ?
I think, sir, you did not cover membership operator.
Membership operator we already covered yesterday class.
Uh,
What is membership operator? In in or the second not in that we had discussed yesterday. You have not clear membership operator still?
yes, sir. Please explain again.
Okay. So membership operator, what is a membership operator? Membership operator actually check the presence of an item in a collection. Collection is type list, tuple, set, anything it can be. So it check the presence of an item in collection type. We use in and not in. These are two membership operator. For example, suppose we have list of marks 80, 90, 70, 60, and I want to check that particular an item is present or not. For example, I want to check, I am using one variable check 88 in marks, where marks is a collection type, that is list. Now I am checking that 88 in marks, this item is in marks. You can see that 88 is not present in the marks, so it will return true or false value according to this. So when I will print check, it will return
False.
false value. And if I am using like this, check equals to 88 not in marks, what will be the value of check?
True.
In this case it will return true. Clear? Now clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So if anyone has any confusion, किसी को अभी तक के ऑपरेटर्स में किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो पूछिए आप लोग. जिसको भी डाउट है पूछिए जरूर. If no doubt, then I am going to next operator. हाँ, आप लोगों से एक चीज़ और पूछना था मुझको. I have to ask one thing is also that in week one day we will take leave off day. So which day you want to take as a off day? Give me your response. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and in which day you want to take as a off day in a week?
So Sunday.
Sunday. All of are agree for Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Sunday for off day. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if if I am taking this class 6 to 7, any problem to students?
Yes, sir. I have a problem.
You have problem?
Yes, sir.
You do work? You do work?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You have only time from after 7.
After
Okay.
7. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So no problem. I'm just asking to you. So I'm going to discuss next operator. This is also very important operator. Please be attentive to understand it. This is operator is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. Actually, as a name implies, that bitwise operator work on bit level. It works on bit level. What it mean? Normally, if I am using a equals to 10, b equals to 20, then c equals to, if I am doing a plus b, it is normal addition. A is 10, b is 20, then final output is 30. But if I am using bitwise operator, the calculation is done as a bit level. It work on bit level. So first of all, we will understand how many bitwise operator we use. That is, first one is bitwise AND. This is called bitwise AND operator. This one is bitwise OR operator. This one is bitwise exclusive OR operator, and this one, this sign, that is complement and next one is this sign. It show bitwise left shift, because you can see this is of left side, and opposite of this, it is called bitwise right shift. So these all are bitwise operator. We will explain one by one each one with examples. So first one bitwise AND, second bitwise OR, then bitwise exclusive OR, then complement, then bitwise left shift, and last one is bitwise right shift. So first of all, we will discuss about bitwise AND. So bitwise AND operator, how it work? For example, a equals to suppose 5 and b equals to 6, and I am using this like a and b. Now I am print this C. What is the output? Let's go on PyCharm, then further I will explain how it is coming. Suppose a equals to 10, I have taken 5, and b equals to, I have taken 6, then c equals to a and b, then print C. When I am running this, the output is 4. Everyone see the output? This is 4. Why 4? So understand the mechanism of this. I am explaining what happening, that as I told you that bitwise operator work on bit level. So 5 is in normally in computer we work on decimal system. Decimal number system we use. It is 0 to 9 and its base is 10. And bit level, that is computer level, is binary system. In binary system we use 0 and 1. The base is 2. Why 2? Because only 2 digit we have, 0 and 1, and in decimal system total 10, 0 to 9. Now this 5 is in decimal. So as I told you that now calculation is on bit level, so first of all this 5 will convert into binary, that is bit level. So how we can convert decimal into binary? You all know the number system or not? आपको नंबर सिस्टम आपने पढ़ा है पहले? Anyone has idea about number system conversion also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, rest of them please give response also in message. So let me tell you here now 5 is in binary. So how we convert decimal into binary? We just divide by 2. Divide by 2. How it can be possible? Simple. Here 5. If I divide 5, 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 1. And again 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Now taking from bottom to top, our binary is 101. This is in binary of 5, or we can say this. Similarly 6, this is in decimal. We have to convert it into first binary. So how it can be convert into binary? It will also divide by 2. Here 6, 2 3s are 6, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Now taking bottom to top, it will come 1 1 0. So now what is the binary of A? Binary of A is 101, and binary of B, that is 110. 110. Now which operator? This is bitwise AND. Actually AND operator work like logical operator in rule. In logic it works same as logical AND. If both bit are 1 then only, we had already discussed, हमने पहले ही डिस्कस किया था लॉजिकल एंड में क्या होता है कि जब दोनों बिट की वैल्यू 1 होती है, व्हेन बोथ बिट आर 1 then only its value is 1. So 1 0 means 0, 0 1 means 0, then 1 1, it means this value is 1, this value is 1. So now we have got the result in C. We are getting the result 4. So how 4? Because 4 is in decimal, and now the binary calculation output is 100. So how this binary again convert into decimal? Because final output we are saying is 4. So how it can come? So now again convert binary into decimal. You have to multiply. As you convert decimal into binary, you divide by 2, and when you convert binary into decimal, then you have to multiply by power of 2, that is here 2 to the power 0, and this one is 2 to the power 1, and this one is 2 to the power 2. So 1 multiply by 2 to the power 2 plus 0 multiply by 2 to the power 1 plus 0 multiply by 2 to the power 0. Then 2 to the power 2 is, what is the value of 2 to the power 2? That is 4. 4, then 0 plus 0. So final value in C is 4. So that's why it is displaying the answer. You can see the answer is 4 on the screen. कुछ समझ में आया आपको? एनी थोड़ा समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
मैं एक और एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. आई एम गिविंग यू वन क्वेश्चन, सो प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई to solve out. Here a equals to 10 and b equals to 12. Now you have to apply c equals to a and b. Calculate first and send me the result. और जिसको समझ में नहीं आया वो मैसेज में लिखें, मुझे बताए कि सर मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही है. देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. इफ़ यू हैव स्टिल confusion, then I will explain, because it is now working on binary level.
So 8.
Let we see in PyCharm what is the output. We have taken a equals to 10, b equals to 12. A equals to 10, b equals to 12. When I am executing this, yes, output is 8. Everyone has got the result 8, or again I will explain it. Again I will explain. So let me explain, because only one answer I have got. So again I am explaining. Here again a equals to 10. This is 10 is in decimal. I have to convert this decimal into binary. So first of all I will divide this 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10, remainder 0. Again 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. And again 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. 2 5s are 10, remainder 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. So our binary is 1 0 1 0 of 10. Now second number is 12. It is in decimal, so we will convert it into binary. Again 12 is divided by 2. 2 6 are 12, remainder 0. 2 3 are 6, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. So our final is, this is 10 and this is 1 1 0 0. This is 12. Now I am again applying the AND operator. So rule for AND operator, if both bit are 1 then its value is 1. So 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, again 0 1 1, it means 1. Now the final output in binary is 1 0 0. It is in binary, and now we have need the output in decimal. So what will we do? Multiply by 2 to the power. This is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this one 2 to the power 2, and this one is 2 to the power 3. So result is now like this: 2 to the power 3 multiply by 1 plus 2 to the power 2 multiply by 0, 2 to the power 1 multiply by 0 plus 2 to the power 0 multiply by 0. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So final output is 8 in decimal. So now final output you see in screen is 8. So everyone has clear now? सबको समझ में आ गया है?
Yes, sir.
No one has doubt now? Everyone has clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if still anyone has doubt, then message me. Now next one is bitwise OR. Next one is bitwise or. Simple, same as logical. In logic level it work on logical or. So if I am taking a equals to 20, b equals to 16, now I am applying c equals to a or b. Now I want to print c. What will be the final value? So here again a equals to 20. So when we will convert this 20 into binary, 2 tens are 20, remainder 0, 2 fives are 10, remainder 0, 2 twos are 4, remainder 1. Now next 2 ones are 2, remainder 0, 2 tens are 20, remainder 0, 2 fives are 10, remainder 0, 2 twos are 4, remainder 1, 2 ones are 2, remainder 0. So output is 20, that is 1 0 1 0 0. This is for 20. And next for 16, same, 2 8s are 16, remainder 0, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, and last one is 2 1s are 2, remainder 0, 2 8s are 16, remainder 0, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. So the final value is 1 0 4 0. This one, like this. So we have got now binary of both number. This is binary of 20 and this is binary of 16. Now I have to apply OR operator between this. So rule for OR operator as a logical operator, you know it, 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 0 mean 1, because if either one operand value bit level value is 1, so its value is 1, 0 0 0, then it is 1. So this is the final value. So we will convert it into binary, then multiply by 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, then 2 to the power 2, then 2 to the power 3. So this is 2 to the power 3 plus 0, then 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and this one is, this is also again this is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, 3, and this is 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4, that is 16, plus 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0, 2 to the power 2 multiply plus 1, that is 4, and 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 0, this 0, and this one also 0. So it is 20, it is giving the output 20. So we will check that it is right or wrong. This is 20 and this is 16. So final output is, it is showing that 20. This one clear to all of you? Bitwise OR is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bitwise OR clear to all of you? No doubt? Okay. So next one is bitwise exclusive OR. bitwise exclusive OR. Similarly, a equals to suppose 5, b equals to 6, and now I am applying c equals to a exclusive b. So what will be the value? Binary of 5 is 101, we already calculate, and binary of 6 we already calculate. What is the binary of 6? 110. So now we have used this exclusive OR. I already told you in logical operator also, in exclusive OR means exclusive OR, how it work. If a and b, then 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 a exclusive b. How it work? If either of one bit is true, then its value is true. 0 0 its value is true, 0 1 में 1 होगा, 1 0 में भी 1 होगा, 1 1 में क्या होगा? 0 होगा. Only either this or this. If any one bit is 1, then its value is 1, otherwise it is false. So here we will apply the rule. 1 0 means 1, 0 1 means 1, 1 1 means 0. So we have got 0 1 1, then 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 3. So this is 0 plus 2 plus 2 to the power 0, 1, 1 into 1 1, this is 3. Answer is 3. We will check in PyCharm. A equals to 5, b equals to 6. Now I am taking the operator, this one operator, with the help of shift this. So output is 3. It will generate the output is 3. So this is the working of bitwise exclusive OR. Everyone has clear there now? Bitwise exclusive OR everyone has clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So next one is complement. Complement operator, that is complement bitwise operator. So complement bitwise operator, how it work? Suppose a, if I am taking a equals to 5 and I am taking now b equals to, because this is unary operator. Why? What is unary operator? Anyone will give response. What is unary operator? क्या होता है unary operator?
There is only one operand.
Yes, which use only one operand. Here a is only one operand, a is here use. Now the, if I will print b, print the value of b, what it will generate? First of all we will see in PyCharm, then after that we will try to understand. We have taken a is equals to 5, we have taken, so we will check b equals to complement of a. Now I am going to print this b. So now it is generating -6. The output is -6. इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा आप, ये कुछ इसमें लॉजिक है. इफ यू हैव टू see carefully how exactly it is working. Here I am taking a equals to 5, and when I am complement of a, it so the final output is -6. So how exactly it is going to, ये क्यों ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है, आउटपुट ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है, we will understand. So how it is going to, So for that you have to understand the mechanism. Here 5 is again decimal, so first of all it will convert into in binary. So binary of 5, 2 to the 4, remainder 1, 2 ones are 2, remainder 0, that 101. Okay, in computer system, actually in computer system we use representation is either in 4-bit, 8-bit or 16-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit. This is processor, what it mean: 4-bit, 8-bit processor, 16-bit processor, 32-bit processor, 64-bit processor. What it mean? It means at a time processor take 4-bit or 8-bit processing on 4-bit or 8-bit or on 16-bit or 32-bit or on 64-bit. So according to normal we use, suppose if we use the 8-bit representation of 101, this is 3-bit, so remaining bits are 0, remaining bits are 0. This is 8-bit representation of 5. Please say it carefully. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8-bit representation of 5. We simply add 0 because there is no value, so these bits are 0, still they are 0, only 101 is working. Now the rule of complement का rule क्या है? What is the rule of complement? Complement tells the reverse the bits, reverse the bits, bits को reverse कर दो. complement कहता है bits को reverse कर दो. तो जब हम इन bits को reverse करेंगे तो what will be happen? What will be happen? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8. So this 0 becomes 1, this 0 become 1, this 0 becomes 1, this 0 also become 1, this 0 also become 1, and this 1 become 0, this 0 become 1, and this 1 becomes 0. So now 1 1 1 like this. And according to computer signed bit representation, in computer one word that is signed bit SIGNED, signed bit representation. What is the rule? In 8-bit representation, suppose I am taking an 8-bit representation, so this bit is called MSB and this bit is called LSB. What it mean? MSB means most significant bit and LSB mean least significant bit. Most significant bit and first bit is called least significant bit. So according to when we do complement, output is going to minus. Why it happening? Because sign bit representation now working. When I did the complement of this 8-bit representation, the last value bit, that is MSB, now MSB, this is MSB. So in the sign bit representation, say it carefully, in sign bit representation, how we identify that number is positive or negative? It depend on MSB. It depend on MSB. If MSB is value is 1, if MSB value is 1, it means number is negative, and MSB value is 0, it means number is positive. Now when we had reverse, that is we have taken the complement, now if we will see the last that is MSB, the value of MSB is 1. It means now it is like this: 1 1 1 1, then 0 1 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is MSB, this is MSB. It is 1. It means this is negative number, this is negative, this is negative number. So computer can't understand negative. So computer, how it will represent? So according to रूल क्या कहता है आपका? रूल क्या कहता है? रूल कहता है कि नेगेटिव नंबर को हाउ नेगेटिव नंबर is represent in sign bit notation. Answer is 2's complement. Using 2's complement, using 2's complement. अब आप कहेंगे 2's complement क्या होता है? 2's complement क्या होता है? अब मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ. एक बार मैं फिर से इसको रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ. देखिए, ढंग से समझना है कि a इक्वल्स टू 5 था. 5 का जब हमने बाइनरी निकाला तो बाइनरी हमारा 101 आया. अब जब हम इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे तो हमको इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन या तो 4 बिट में करना है या 8 बिट में. नॉर्मली 8 बिट के हिसाब से आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ. दिस इज एग्जाम्पल फॉर 8 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो rest of the bit value is 0 0 0 0, and when I am using like this operator, this is complement operator. The rule of this operator is that it reverse the bit. Complement mean it reverse the bit, that is 0 become 1 and 1 becomes 0. So now after applying this operator, the value is like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. So I told you in sign bit representation, if MSB 1, it means negative number. If MSB 0, it means it is positive. So how we identify that this is negative number? Because we have checked now that last bit, that is MSB is 1. It means it is a negative number. क्या है ये? नेगेटिव नंबर है. हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि लास्ट जो बिट है उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 1 है. It mean it is a negative number. So computer can't understand negative numbers. So computer will use 2's complement method to handle this situation. So now we are going to discuss how we will represent 2's complement. 2's complement क्या होता है? 2's complement is simple. 1's complement निकालते हैं आप और उसमें 1 ऐड करते हैं. You take 1's complement and add 1 on it. 2's complement निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं? To calculate 2's complement, first of all you will calculate 1's complement and then उसमें 1 ऐड कर देते हैं. अब देखिए 1 ऐड करते हैं क्या है कि आपका जो ये नंबर ये यहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है आपको, ये नंबर आया हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो इसका 1's complement का मतलब यही जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाला, ये इसी को 1's complement मतलब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही निकाला है. इसी को 1's complement कहा था जो अब ये हमने यहाँ पे किया, that we had did here. This is called 1's complement. We had done 1's complement. 1's complement means reverse the bit, which the bit that is 0 become 1 and 1 becomes 0. So here we will do 1's complement of, first of all we will do the 1's complement of this one. Now 1 1 1 1 5 times 1, then 0 1 0. 1's complement, we have complement of this becomes, so how it will solve? The 1 becomes 0, then 0, then 0, then 0, then 0. All bit that are 1 become 0. Now this 0 is become 1 and 1 becomes 0 and this 1. Now add 1. on this. Now add 1 of this. This is 1's complement. This is 1's complement. Again I am repeating our answer of this. After seeing the last bit, that is MSB, we identify that this is negative number, so represent of negative numbers is in 2's complement. So we have first calculate 1's complement, then add 1 on it. So 1's complement of this number 0 0 0 0 0, simply 1 equal to 0. This is process. Now we are going to add the rule of addition. कंप्यूटर एडिशन का रूल क्या होता है? आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. इफ ए एंड बी 0 0 0 1 1 0 and now 1 1, if I am applying addition of 2 bit, so 0 plus 0 क्या होता है? 0 होता है. 0 plus 1 क्या होता है? 1 होता है. 1 plus 0 क्या होता है? 1 होता है. और लास्ट में जो 1 1 क्या होता है? समेशन 0 होता है और कैरी चली जाता है अगली वाली बिट को. दिस 1 गोज टू कैरी फॉर नेक्स्ट बिट. ओके, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 एंड 1 plus 1. अब नॉर्मली 1 plus 1 क्या होगा? 2 होगा. 2 को हम क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? 2 को अगर हम रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो हमें क्या होगा? 1 0 में दिखाएंगे. दैट इज दैट कैरी गोज टू नेक्स्ट बिट. Carry goes to next bit. So now I am applying the binary addition here. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry goes to next bit. Now applying 0 and 1, इनके बीच में addition होगा. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, that is 1, that is 1. Now all the bits are 0, बिकॉज इसके बाद सारी की सारी बिट्स ये क्या है? 0 ही है, मानेंगे कुछ नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? दीज ऑल आर जीरोस. सो 0 plus 1 1, नेक्स्ट ऑल आर 0 0 0 0. सो this, so when I am calculating again this in binary format, this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, next one this is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 7. Since all these are 0 0, so it will 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next 2 to the power 3 into 1, that is, sorry, 2 to the power 3 also 0. Next 2 to the power 2 into 1, that is 4. 2 to the power 2, 4 and 2 to the power 1 is 2, then 0. Now it is 6 and minus will attach outside of this. That's why the final answer is 6 is displaying on the screen. So after taking 2's complement minus of outside, it will show the final output, that is minus 6. So that's why when you executing this in PyCharm, I am showing again, when you are executing this in PyCharm, the output, final output is minus 6 according to this rule. I am again explaining. If I had add 1 on this, 1 plus 1 0, carry goes to next bit, then 0 plus 1 is 1, okay, and 1 plus 0 again 1 and 0 0 0, all bits are 0. So when I convert it, outside of this is negative, so this will show the minus 6 on the screen. So this is the mechanism. How many you have understand? किसी को समझ में आया अभी तक? 2%, 5%, 10%, कितना समझ में आया? Give me reply.
Yes sir, समझ में आया.
पूरा समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Everyone has understand or go out of the mind? दिमाग से बाहर चलेगी सब कुछ. सबको आया समझ में? सबको समझ में आया? Everyone has understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone has confusion? So I will check. I'm going to give you one question so that I will understand you will getting or not. Simply I am giving you a equals to 22 and b equals to of a print b. I am is executing of this. Now you all will start your calculation. A equals to 22 and b equals to this is showing minus 23. Output is minus 23. So you all will solve practically. So you will understand the mechanism, so that you, if someone asks to you, because in competitive examination oftenly they give you this type of questions in interview times, on that time you totally puzzled how it actually happened, because this is very minute level. You don't go in deeply like this. So once you will go to deeply on this calculation, then you will understand what exactly is going on. So everyone please solve this properly and then give me reply. पूरी तरह से करिए इसको. और ये -23 कैसे आया है इसको
Sir, I have some questions.
क्वेश्चन इज a equals to 22.
No, सर मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम, मतलब इसमें एक दो क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे.
पूछिए.
सर जैसे MSD क्या कहते हैं 1 है तो उसमें हम नेगेटिव के लिए ये करेंगे
हाँ.
जो आपने बताया, लेकिन अगर MSD 0 है तब क्या करेंगे सर?
फिर तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, फिर तो वही आउटपुट होगा ना आपका. ये
अच्छा,
ये सारा पंगा जितना भी हमने करा, जितना भी हम ये कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं, जितना हम हौच पौच कर रहे हैं, ये किसके कारण करना पड़ रहा है हमको? लास्ट बिट 1 आ गई वहाँ पे. लास्ट बिट की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 1 आ गई. अब लास्ट बिट की 1 वैल्यू, अब देखिए आप ये भी सोचिए कि आप you are entering, please note down carefully that you are entering 22, and when you are using ones complement of this, now the output is -23, totally opposite.
Yes,
So
sir.
how it is going? That's why I am telling the mechanism behind this. Na, this what exactly mechanism is going to behind this. So
Okay.
how? So for that you have to check the MSB. If MSB is 1, then you have to apply sign bit representation system. Sign bit representation tells that how negative number represent. So mostly computer use 2's complement methods to represent negative number. So that's why the mechanism is like this.
ओके सर. सर आपने जो है 8 बिट यूज करके करा, अगर हम 4 बिट या 32 बिट यूज करते तो आंसर डिफरेंट आता?
नहीं, आंसर वही आएंगे, आप देखिए लास्ट में वो तो कैलकुलेशन वो बिट 0 ही हो रही है ना. हमने लास्ट बिट को 0 ही तो किया है, वहाँ पे 000 किया है, उनके कोई वैल्यू तो नहीं है. क्योंकि आप देखिए अगर मैं ऐसा लिखता हूँ, आप ये इसको ऐसे समझिए, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है 01 लिखा है मैंने. क्लियर? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज बिट मीन इन बाइनरी? 1. अगर मैं एक बिट और 0 कर देता हूं तो क्या इसका मीनिंग चेंज होगा?
नो सर,
1 ही रहेगा. अगर मैं इसके पीछे 16 बिट तक कर देता हूं, इसको बढ़ा देता हूं 0, तो इससे 1 की वैल्यू में तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं होना है ना. क्लियर? तो उससे कोई, तो वो नॉर्मली मैंने एग्जांपल इसलिए लिया क्योंकि बाकी अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा लेता हूँ तो उससे क्या आपको एक्सप्लेन करने उतना उसको कैलकुलेशन बहुत हार्डली होगी. देखिए जब भी आपको कोई बड़ी चीज़ बनानी होती है, व्हेन यू विल हैव टू मेक अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट, you just go on small prototype, not go on deeply. You just go on small prototype. It will, if it will successfully execute, it means large project also working successfully.
Okay sir.
Understand?
Yes sir.
This is the mechanism. So you can use 4-bit, 8-bit anywhere. So this is the mechanism behind of this. So everyone got the answer like this. In this method, everyone got the answer minus 23. Okay, you will all will try it in after the lectures in free time. So will I go to next operator? Okay. नेक्स्ट ऑपरेटर डिस्कस करें हम. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will try it in after lecture. So in free times, do calculation step by step and check that how minus 23 result is coming. So I'm going to next part, that is bitwise left shift. I'm going to discuss. Anyone has doubt, then
सर अगर हम इसको आपने 8 बिट से करा, अगर हम इसको शॉर्ट करने के लिए 4 बिट से करें तब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए?
किसी से नहीं होना चाहिए. हाँ.
ओके सर.
हाँ ठीक है. नेक्स्ट मैं कर रहा हूँ डिस्कस बिटवाइज लेफ्ट शिफ्ट. ओके. सो बी अटेंटिव, see how it working. See it carefully. Bitwise left shift, bitwise left. As you know that it work on bit level. Now you have everyone clear. If I am taking a equals to 5, okay, if I am taking a equals to 5, now I am applying bitwise left shift. That is, I am saying like a left shift 1. I have written a लेफ्ट शिफ्ट 1. व्हाट इट मीन, इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो नंबर, जो भी वैल्यू ए की है, द वैल्यू ऑफ ए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू बाइनरी बिकॉज वी आर वर्किंग ऑन बिट लेवल. सो बाइनरी ऑफ 5, that is 101. So we will explain in 4 bit. Suppose I am using 4 bit representation. So this is 0101, that is 5. Now the rule according to left shift 1, it means left से जो left अब ये अब आपको ये समझना है इसमें left क्या है, right क्या है. This is left, this is right, left, this is right, this is left. So left से जो left है, लेफ्ट मोस्ट बिट 1 बिट को आपको क्या करना है, शिफ्ट कर देना है. तो लेफ्ट मोस्ट बिट कौन सी है, यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो कौन सी है, दिस वन. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या बचा आपके पास में 101. तो एक बिट लेफ्ट से शिफ्ट हो गई, तो आपको राइट से एक बिट क्या करनी पड़ेगी, ऐड करनी पड़ेगी इसमें. तो नाउ द आंसर विल बी, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, 2 to the power 0, that is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 3 is 8, 0, and 2 to the power 4 is 4, and last one 0 into 2 to the power 1, that is 0. Now it is showing like 12. Let we check what will be the answer. A equals to 5, we have taken a left shift 1. It is showing 10. It is showing 10. So what wrong in this case? Sorry, here we have 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, and this is again I am explaining 1 0 1 0, this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 0 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 0, that is answer is 10. Answer is 10. Again second example, if I am taking a equals to 5 again, and b equals to a left shift 2, it means from left side 2 bits are shifted. What it mean? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. First of all, we will see what will be the answer. We have taken 2 bit shifting. Now result is showing 20. Result is showing 20. So do the calculation like this.
Sir, can you explain once?
Yes. In first example, we have taken a equals to 5. First of all, we have to convert 5 binary. 5 binary, that is 101. Okay, you can either use 4 bit or 8 bit representation also. We can do like this: 1 2 3 4. This is 8 bit representation. This is 8 bit representation. Okay, so
Yes.
normally you have to take in 8 bit representation. So if I am saying like a left shift 1, that it mean leftmost bit 1, last bit जो है आपकी leftmost bit is shifted. This bit is shifted. Now this is become like this: 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. So how many bits are now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But we are going to represent in 8 bit represent, so we had shift the leftmost bit, so that we will add 0 in right side. We will add 0 in right side. Understand?
Yes, sir.
We have shifted the leftmost 1 bit, that is 0. Now the number is in 7 bit, but we are going to represent it in 8 bit, so we have added 0 additionally in right side. So now the this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3. So this is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is 10. The answer is 10. Now I'm asking you, if I'm using a equals to 5, a left shift 2, so what will be the output? Now it is showing 20. So how 20 is going? Have you guys understand this? Why 20 is coming?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes.
has
Yes,
understand why 20 is coming?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir.
in this way you have clear one thing, that in if I am doing left shift, if I am using a equals to 5, and when I did left shift 1, what the output? 10. It means left shifting, that gives multiply of 2. If I am using left shift 5 left shift 1, it gives 10, and 5 left shift 2 gives 20. Then 5 left shift 3, that will it will multiply. It work as a multiply operator. It work as a multiply. If I am using 5 left shift 1, it is giving, first number is 5. When I did left shift 1, then it becomes 10. Again, if I am using left shift 2, it become, what is the value? 20. if I'm using left shift 3, it will 30 or something. It means it's the final value, it give the multiply by 2. Last bit, the last value is 20, next 20 into 2, that is 40, next one is 40 into 2, that is 80. So each time it multiply by to the previous result. It is working like this, the mechanism of this. इन कॉम्पिटिटिव वाई आई एम सेइंग टू यू, आप सबको ये मैं इसलिए क्यों कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कभी कभी एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं इसमें, दे आस्क द क्वेश्चन यूजिंग बिट वाइज लेफ्ट शिफ्ट परफॉर्म द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन, perform the multiplication operation using left shift. अब आप then you will totally puzzled, shocked, how I will do multiply with the help of left shift. Now you will understand this is the process. Then that each time we are shifting from left side one bit, it going to multiply each time from the previous result. Understand? Everyone understand this mechanism? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये mechanism जो हो रहा है?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? तो ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन, दीज क्वेश्चन आस्क इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम फोकसिंग यू. एंड लास्ट वन दैट इज इट्स अपोजिट, दैट इज राइट शिफ्ट. अब राइट शिफ्ट में क्या उल्टा हो जाएगा, इन राइट शिफ्ट इट टोटली वर्क ऑन अपोजिट मैनर.
Excuse me sir.
ओके लेट्स.
सर एक बार ना आप ये डबल शिफ्ट 2 वाला से 20 मेरा आया नहीं, वो एक बार आप प्लीज करके बता दीजिए.
कौन सा वाला?
सर ए लेफ्ट शिफ्ट 2 वाला जो सर 20 आ रहा है ना, वो नहीं आया मेरा.
नहीं आया?
नहीं सर.
देखते हैं, चलिए देखिए. ए की वैल्यू 5 आई, 5 का आपने बाइनरी बनाया, कितना आया?
सर 5 का बाइनरी मेरा आ रहा है ये
101 आया. देन
Yes, sir.
you have taken remaining bits is 0
Yes, sir.
0 0 0 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now left 2 bits, लेफ्ट से 2 बिट आपने हटा दी. लेफ्ट से आपने क्या करा, 2 बिट को हटा दिया है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, अब लेफ्ट से जब आपने 2 बिट हटा दी तो कितनी बिट बची यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4 5 6. बट वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट इन 8 बिट, सो राइट साइड यू विल ऐड 2 बिट्स. ओके,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
now
sir.
this is 8 bit representation. Now you will
Yes,
take,
sir.
this is 2 की power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 is 16, then 2 to the power 4 is 4, that is final answer is 20.
Okay sir. Okay.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Thank you sir.
welcome. So the final topic that I am going to discuss, that is right shift bitwise right shift. Again a equals to 5, and suppose let's see another example, so we will understand the mechanism properly. Suppose I have taken a equals to, sorry, one, suppose I have taken a equals to 20, and I am using b equals to a right shift 1. So I am printing b. So what will be the output? I am going to implement a equals to 20, b equals to a right shift 1. So when I am executing this, it is going 10. It is the output is 10. So how it is working? Let me explain. So first of all, you will convert 20 into binary. 2 tens are 20, remainder 0. 2 fives are 10, remainder 0. 2 twos are 4, remainder 1. 2 ones are 2, remainder 0. 2 tens are 20, remainder 0. 2 fives are 10, remainder 0. 2 twos are 4, remainder 1. So the value is 1 0 1 0 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So according to the root, now the case is right shift. So in right case, rightmost bit is shifted. This bit will be shifted. So now we will add additional bit from left side. So now the answer become 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. This is 8-bit representation. When I am calculating this, 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3, and that next is 0. So 2 to the power is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is answer is 10. Answer is 10. Okay, clear? Suppose I am taking like a equals to 20, b equals to a, right shift 2, then print b. What will be the output? Please give reply fastly. Please give reply fastly. What will be the output?
5.
5. Answer is 5. So understand the mechanism. If are using left shift, it means it work as a multiply operator, and if you are using right shift, it work as a divide operator, because we have 20. When we have shifted 1 bit, the answer is 10. Again we have shifted 2 bit, the answer is 5. So each time it is work as a divide operator, and in left shift it work as a multiply operator. Everyone has clear now? सबको क्लियर
Yes,
हो गया
sir.
है, समझ में आ चुका है?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has confusion? Everyone has clear? Everyone has clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So no doubt. Any student have any doubt? So message me. Otherwise, I will close the today class. Now we have completed our operator topic completely. Please revise it. Please revise it properly, and so that you will understand next topic that we will discuss, and together with we will also do some questions also on these operators topics, because this is most important part of operation in Python. So you have no doubt. So I am closing this class now. So till that, take care and keep smile. Bye bye all of you. Good night.